Today we trail a 2020 Yamaha XTZ 700. And in this episode, don't be the meat in a traffic sandwich. Road position will be a different episode, but just on this, I think there's more downside to this Yamaha's exact position. Cars with lights on is not a good sign for doors opening, wheels facing out, ready to pull out, not a good sign. Pedestrians in a group. I will be centre left of the bus lane, taking the odd quick look over my right shoulder. But to the main point, there's approaching cyclist in the cycle lane on the left side. There's a car moving at pretty much the same pace as the Yamaha on the right. I think it's important not to just sit where you are in this situation. It's important to decide what you want to do here. Do you drop back to the rear left side of the car? Or do you get to the front? Personally, if I saw the cyclist well in advance, I'd try get ahead of the car so that when I'm passing the cyclist, I have that space on the right to veer if I need to. Equally, if I don't see the cyclist fast enough, ease off or drop to the back of the car. This will give you space again to veer to the right if needed. You're better off not creating unnecessary stress where either one of these, the cyclist or the car user, could panic in some way. Remembering the footage has been slowed down in parts and observations are made with the benefit of hindsight and actions that I'd like to think I'd have time to take if in the same position as the motorcyclist. If you have something to add or if you disagree with any of the observations made, drop it in the comments and they will be read by viewers, and your comments will be taken on board to improve future videos in this series. Hit subscribe on YouTube if you followed the next few of these. Tap the bell button for future notifications. Hope you can take something from it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.